But I'm barely breathing. Just pray to a God that I don't believe in. Ha! I bet you thought I was gonna sing that song, but I'm not. So you were wrong. Anna just got me the shade limeade, and it tastes like crap. It tastes like pennies, and I don't like it at all. Ew! Ew! Hey Anna. Anna, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? I love you.